Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're celebrating the avian world's most stylish members. That's right, we're diving into the feathery fashion scene to unveil the 10 birds with the most incredible hairstyles. So, get ready to be amazed by these feathered fashionistas. Number 10. The hoopoe. This flamboyant fellow rocks a vibrant orange crest that can be raised and lowered like a punk rock mohawk. It adds a touch of drama to their already striking black and white markings. Number 9. The long-tailed mannequin. These little guys take the phrase hair flip to a whole new level. Their incredibly long, wire-like tail feathers can be manipulated in elaborate dances to attract mates. Imagine having hair that's longer than your entire body. Number 8. The king vulture. This majestic scavenger sports a vibrant red head that contrasts beautifully with its white body. The feathers form a ruff around the neck, giving it a regal air, like a feathered king. Number 7. The great egret. Simple yet elegant, the great egret's crowning glory is its long, flowing plumes. These delicate feathers were once highly sought after for hats, but thankfully, that practice is mostly over. Number 6. The blue-headed quail dove. This little dove boasts a vibrant blue head that feathers extend upwards into a unique, wispy crest. It's a subtle yet striking detail that adds personality to their overall look. Number 5. The red-headed woodpecker. This energetic woodpecker has a bold crimson head that stands out amongst the trees. Their sharp beak might not be the most conventional hairstyling tool, but it certainly gets the job done. Number 4. The kookaburra. This Australian native has a shaggy, brown crest that gives it a perpetually surprised expression. It adds a touch of goofiness to their already comical appearance. Number 3. The mandarin duck. When it comes to colorful plumage, the male mandarin duck takes the cake. Their elaborate head feathers boast a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors, creating a truly breathtaking spectacle. Number 2. The crowned pigeon. This regal bird lives up to its name with a magnificent, fan-shaped crest of iridescent feathers. It is a true showstopper in the avian world. Number 1. The superb bird of paradise. And our number 1 bird with the most fabulous hairstyle is the aptly named superb bird of paradise. The male sports a dazzling display of emerald green feathers that extend into long, flowing plumes. Their elaborate dances, incorporating these feathery adornments, are a true masterpiece of avian fashion. So there you have it, 10 birds that prove the natural world is full of incredible style icons. Which one was your favorite feathered fashionista? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild and wonderful nature adventures.